My biggest strength in the kitchen is baking, I think, because I believe I'm a baker, more of a baker and cake decorator, but I decided to do the culinary part of the program because I wanted to learn more. Because if you don't know what your other teammates are doing, then you could have plates out before the other one have plates out, and then your customers are gonna, have cold food. Yeah, because I believe teamwork is a big aspect of it. And of course, running around in the kitchen, you have to have communication, otherwise you're gonna run into each other with your knives and your pots and pans anyways. I'm in the restaurant now, and we have a manager telling everybody who needs to do what, and we have our own little stations, but if one person doesn't have something they've got to do and the other person needs help, then everybody just kind of helps each other out so that we can get the stuff done and get it out to the customers. I was born a leader because I've always had just like a leader quality to me. I don't know why or how to explain it. Well, I always take charge when nobody else is taking charge. I like to take charge and know everything that's going on in the kitchen so that if somebody needs help, I can do it and help them or guide them through it, help guide them through it. Right, I'd like it to be more laid back a little bit, not so, intense that people get stressed out. I'd like it to be where everybody's having fun on the job, not, oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm gonna do this, or I have to do this, or whatever, and I can't wait till I go home. Well, first to give a good impression, because if you don't have a clean kitchen, chances are you're not gonna have a clean dining room or whatever. And it's for safety reasons, health and safety reasons. You don't want to make anybody sick. My biggest success is just learning all the aspects of the culinary industry right now, because I'm not working yet, but I'm able to keep all my options open as far as what I want to do. Well, because I enjoy it, and there will always be restaurants, and you make more money with a degree in culinary, and if you know what you're doing and you know the background of it, then the more successful you'll be. It's kind of an evolution. It first started when I was working at Sam's, and they promoted me to cake decorator. I was a baker there, and I loved it, and they promoted me to cake decorator, and I absolutely loved it. And then, I quit there to have kids and stuff, and then I started making cakes again. And then I started watching Food Network and decided that maybe I could make a career out of doing the cakes, wedding cakes and birthday cakes and stuff. And so when I came here, I was applying for the Baking and Pastry Program. And then once I was here, I just felt that I was supposed to do the whole culinary program. You have to be very organized, very strict about your schedule. You lose a little bit of sleep. Lose a little bit of sanity sometimes, but you make it work. Whether I'm working or not, learning to cook, because I didn't really know how to cook before I came here, is a very important thing. I don't know, something you can create to make somebody else happy. I don't know, it makes me feel good when people tell me they like it, or that, oh my gosh, this is awesome. They've taught me a lot. They've educated me on, making the food, but also in the history of the food and just every aspect of it. And, the chefs are awesome. They help you get out there. They help put your name out there, and they help get you contacts to get out there. It's what I do, or it's what I'm going to be doing for my career. It'll be what I'm doing for my life. And literally for my life, because I'll be cooking the rest of my life. Who doesn't like that? Because, if you serve somebody food and they're always like, oh, this sucks, then you're not gonna want to do it, right? No. Exactly.
That's a wrap.